We got food! Hi, Jackpot Impossible.
What's up, guys? So, on our other video, we did 40 bucks into Eureka Blast, tried to double it, we got to 70. We're gonna put 70 bucks into Hurricane Horse, try to double that. Stay with us and let's see what happens. I know I talked really fast, but...
Subscribe?
Yes, do it.
Those extra ones for there. That's that got a little fatter.
Which one? The blue one, right? Yeah.
Oh, that was a lot of wild. Oh, got it.
Oh, we got the green one. We got the one.
Mega feature awarded 6 free games appearing on each spin.
Let's get it.
Oh, that's good, right? I don't know.
$5.
Oh wow, that might be really good.
A lot of horses,
We got
right?
coin things.
Alright.
We're at 40. Get these to remove, like,
of course.
Oh, that's oh yes, we got rid of all the minis. Oh, it just boosts it. Oh, okay. But we got $45 miner. That's not bad. I'll take it.
We'll take it. Yeah, of course.
We started
we'll
with
take
70
it.
bucks, and we still got a couple free games left.
Okay, so we have one free game. Keep doing it, baby.
Plus
2 free games. Yeah.
Alright, we got 2 free games remaining. There we go, $141. Like $1.50, you know? Hey, there's the blue. That was $3. Alright, now I'll go back up. Blue, come on, do it. Blue, blue, blue. 520. Oh, we got it.
What was that? You showed that? Oh my god. Alright.
That's a good hit. $21 on that one.
Good.
Boom, 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 boom. Can we get that again? $8.80 on that one. Oh, we got it!
We got the we won the pot. We won the pot. We won the pot.
Is our night turning around? Alright, let's upgrade our jackpot. Boom.
Come on. Major, 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 major.
Okay. Uh-oh. still got 3 free games remaining.
Whoa. We just had more
And we
free
got
games, guys.
$76 there. Oh, that's good. That's really good. That's another 16 bucks. Wow, another 720. I like this game.
I like it too.
Maybe we can get that again. Oh, that's another 120. I'm glad we stayed. I still want to get the blue one. Blue, green, a lot of horses.
Oh, that's bigger. You want that?
It did?
The blue, yeah.
Finally got bigger.
Yeah.
This one's getting bigger too. $25. Green. Can you get like? I don't know what to do. Oh, there we go.
Ooh.
That's 27. We needed that too.
Yeah.
Blue.
Blue.
Green. They both go at the same time.
Ah, we got both. We
Oh my
got
God.
both.
6 free games.
All
7
right.
to 12 wilds appear on each spin.
All right.
Holy
Oh
cow.
my God. Okay.
Here we go.
All right.
Oh my God.
Oh my God.
That's 25 bucks plus a free game. Or 28.
Come on, good things.
That's another $8.
If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. Ah! Come on, good things.
Plus 2 free games. That's another good one. Plus a free game.
Can we get the red
Can
one?
we get the red one? Plus a free game. Oh wow. That's big. That's
Oh.
36.
Nice.
That's a big one. And that. How much is that? That's over $100.
183.
$26 right there just for that one. Holy crap. We're 232. Oh my
God, guys.
Oh, that was horses there.
This is amazing.
We got a couple free games left. Can we get the red pot too?
We have 11 free games still.
No, we
12.
have one.
Oh my
we
God, I
have
was
two
looking
more.
at another one.
Plus another 24.
Another number. Oh my God. All right.
Come on.
2 free games.
Red pot.
We won the pot. We won the pot. We won the pot.
I'm gonna let it spin on its own.
Yeah, let it go. We won the pot. We won the pot.
We got 1 free game left.
Can we get another free game?
Holy cow.
Guys,
I love
$300 now.
Another 810. Look at
All
that.
right.
$300.
Oh my goodness.
Let's see if we can't get the red pot now.
Let's get the. Oh my
Holy
God.
cow, this machine is crazy.
That's crazy.
So from part 1 all the way up to this, we have 500 now. That's nuts. Hurricane horse coin combo, thank you.
It's a really hurricane.
Yeah, it was a hurricane of winning. So if you guys like the video, drop us a like, a comment, do all that stuff. It helps us out. We appreciate it.
We have more videos. You can watch them all.
Yeah, and check us out next time.